In the heart of Coimbatore, amidst the lush greenery and the gentle rhythm of weaving looms, there emerged a tale of a man, a saga of perseverance.
My name is Muthuvijayan. I completed my Turner course from Ramakrishna Vidyalaya during the year of 1994-96. After completing the course, I worked as an apprentice for almost a year in a company. To seek better opportunities, I learned a CNC course and worked as a CNC company. Then, in the year of 2005, I started my own company and I have been running this successfully for more than 17 years now.
His journey from the dusty streets of his native village to the halls of success is nothing short of extraordinary.
Mostly, after completing the CNC course, people try to gain field experience for some 4 to 5 years and plan to move to foreign countries. Once they return from abroad after 4 to 5 years of stay, they will be under a dilemma whether to migrate there as a family or to stay in India. But after thinking it through, we decided we will get better opportunities if we stay in India itself. Hence, we stayed and started a company. They started to work as an employee for 4 to 5 years, then chose abroad. The major setback in these situations would arise in everyone's mind, whether to settle abroad with family or come back after some years. I strongly believe that our country will lead us with excellent opportunities, and now I am here with my own firm.
From his simple household, Muthuvijayan learned the value of hard work from his father, a humble weaver whose hands bore the marks of countless hours spent crafting intricate patterns.
Hello, I am Ram Kumar. Myself and my brother Muthuvijayan are running this factory together. He is a former student of ITI and he has in-depth technical knowledge through his learning there. At a point of time when we decided to start a factory named Arudra Automation, he took care of the machine shop and production unit, and I decided to handle the administration department. We ran this factory as a CNC machine shop. During that time, CNC machine shops including lathe went under an upgradation in the country level. Then at one time, everything in the machinery world got upgraded including lathe. We also upgraded our equipment like lathe from CNC to VMC and successfully ran it for 15 years. After which we thought, why not start doing it as a products, which results in the birth of Muthra Toolings. The name Arudra Automation is not widely known, but today Muthra Toolings has become a more popular and easily reliable brand in the engineering field.
Education was a luxury, a distant dream for many in his community. Yet, with the support of his family, focusing on each lesson as a stepping stone towards a brighter future, he completed his schooling at government schools. After his schooling, inspired by his elder brother and alumnus of ITI, Muthuvijayan set foot into the path of technical education. He too chose to study at the Industrial Training Institute. He enrolled at Sri Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya ITI to gain hands-on experience. The turner trade became his passion. He started to learn about each tool and technique eagerly. Under the guidance of mentors who believed in his potential, he sharpened his skills, sculpting a future made of his dreams. However, a great loss happened in his family. Muthuvijayan's father passed away while he was still pursuing his studies. He overcame that grief and focused on his education with a strong heart.
I completed my schooling at Nayakampalayam Government High School. One of my masters guided me to pursue ITI courses. He particularly insisted on the advantage of learning in ITI that will help me in future. Then I opted for the Turner course. I am not from engineering background. My father's persistence in giving us education drove me to this field. My father died while I was studying the first year of ITI course. We struggled a lot throughout that phase. Then we started our own firm, now leading a peaceful life.
Under the tutelage of mentors who believed in his potential, he sharpened his skills, sculpting a future made of his dreams.
He is fundamentally strong and has clear technical knowledge. After a period of time, he started thinking about initiating our own firm. We might encounter some practical difficulties when associating with outsiders. So, looking at his in depth technical skills, I decided to join hands with him. His foundational base from ITI gave us confidence. I am a non skilled person, but he was very strong in his field knowledge. Hence, I decided to support him and have been traveling along with him.
Upon graduating from ITI, Muthuvijayan embarked on a journey of apprenticeship, joining in a computer numerical control (CNC) company. For 7 years, he worked for various firms, sharpening his skills at each step, which brought him closer to the realization of his dreams. He aimed to grow higher in his career and move to the next stage of success in life. Now running a business, he is making a turnover of 1 crore per year.
I worked at a CNC company till 2005 and earned around 10,000 to 15,000 per month. After initiating our own company, our profit was around 10 to 15 lakhs in the beginning and now peaking to 1 crore.
Coming from a weaving background, Muthuvijayan defied the norms. Armed with nothing but his determined heart, he founded Arudra Automations in 2005 along with his elder brother by his side.
My company is Arudra Automation. My brother and I running this company. He is an ITI student too. He handles the administration side of the company and I take care of the machine shop units. Since we are both brothers turned partners, it is easy for us in all aspects.
His journey was not without hardships. Financial hardships came his way. Yet he faced it with an unbroken spirit and resolve.
In the early days, we struggled to get a bank loan because of my family background and manpower too. We are still struggling in manpower.
For Muthuvijayan, the journey has only just begun. With each passing day, he inches closer to his vision, guided by the lessons learned at ITI. To quote Mr. Muthuvijayan, ITI provided me with a strong foundational base that had helped me start a business on my own. Training I received at ITI imparted me with the knowledge and skill set for life, says he.
I gained immense field knowledge from ITI. That's why I run this company successfully.
Today, Arudra Automations stands as a testament to Muthuvijayan's hard work, a place of innovation and excellence in the heart of Coimbatore. Successfully in its 17th year with a team of 15 dedicated workers.
Hard work is the key to success. Hard work never fails. That's it.